Happy birthday.
Then your highlights came
Happy
from Grandma. It's called the High Five magazine. It's just for you. Oh, wow. So this is the cover. Fold that back. Check it out. It's a magazine for kids.
Yeah.
What kind of stuff is in here? This is a hidden picture puzzle. You have to find these things in the puzzle. You have to find a baseball, a sock, a comb, a moon, a kite, a peanut, a ruler, an envelope. Charlotte's turned around in her... I see. Charlotte! Charlotte! What are you doing?
No. You have a...
Wow, this magazine has got a lot of work in it.
Yeah.
And you get a calendar. Look. Hidden picture calendar. Oh, this is the best.
No, mine.
Yes, it's yours. We have to start it in January. It's not January yet. We'll hang it up in your room.
Now, shook.
Mm-hmm.
Sicky. Sicky.
Let's check this out. Look, there's stories to read.
No. I didn't.
Wow,
Mine.
this is great.
Let me see.
Okay, turn the page. Shara's got the Christmas lights. No, 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 no. No. Can you turn around, please? Did you finish your rice? Oh my God, there's a ton of rice in here. Look at this. Oh, Charlotte. Call the dogs. Jebby. Jeb. Clean up. Clean up over here, buddy. You gotta work on getting it in your mouth, Charlotte. I'm baking a casserole in the new oven. I'm making a unstuffed cabbage casserole. Daddy's hanging my deer head. That looks great. Aha! I like it. Looks very pretty. Thank you, Jeb. Charlotte, what are you doing? Charlotte, what are you doing in there? What is that? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing in the bathtub? Charlotte, are you shy? Hey. Hey. Charlotte. What are those feet doing back there? Are you working on you're crawling in the tub? You silly girl. We have to look for the elf. Do you want a yogurt while you look? He's not on your tree. Do you want a yogurt while you look for him?
No.
Do you want milk?
No, it's yogurt.
Okay, come over here. Let's get a yogurt out. Look in here. Get which yogurt do you want? What the heck? The elf is in the fridge having a party with one of your milks.
No, Mom.
Get your step stool.
No.
Oh my God.
No, I go from
What is? Oh, he's so cute.
so cute.
What is he doing?
No.
What's he doing? Elliot, you can't have milk. And what are those Barbies doing? Look, he has a red straw, pink straw, and a green straw for Merida.
That's not the picture.
Do you want to steal that milk from them and you can have it? Which straw do you want to drink out of?
I'll drink. No. I'll drink a new one.
You want a new one, oh brother. Yogurt.
What? I wish I could wear them.
Oh, Mr. Risu, come on up.
How are you?
I think this is a Santa's little helper.
What's going on?
Wow.
How are you guys? Is this a Christmas party?
It's Larkin's dad.
It's okay. It's scary, but it's okay.
I don't know you well enough to make it easier. Daddy, it's so funny to see Daddy here. Daddy can lead us in Jingle Bells. Here you go. You gotta have a free hand to hold a jingle bell.
I'll do this part. The acoustic version.
The acoustic version. We are a cappella here.
Nice.
Anything? Okay. Ellie, do you want to stop that and then do your bells? Can I put this here? Right here? You want to try to hold it in your mouth and give the jingles?
Hey, hey.
We just do Jingle Bells and then Dashing in the Snow and then Jingle Bells again. Just have at it. Turtles, are we ready? Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Anybody gonna dash? Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Come on, parents.
Fields we go, laughing all the way.
Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a singing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. And now, Miss Megan, you get to be the next leader.
All right.
And you don't.
Are we ready? We're going to
You're more than welcome to stay here. I gotta get a picture of you with Marcus. Turtles, we're gonna stand up for our next song. Okay, first you're gonna sing.
Okay, you ready? Stand up.
You need to work.
Stand up
No,
now.
I'm good.
Okay.
Ring your bells and stomp your feet. Ring your bells and stomp your feet. Ring your bells and stomp your feet. Christmas time is here. Ring your bells and turn around. Ring your bells and turn around. Ring your bells and turn around. Christmas time is here. What's our favorite? Are you ready? Ring your bells and jump up high. Ring your bells and jump up high. Ring your bells and jump up high. Christmas time is here. All
And Mrs.
right.
Megan and I are gonna collect bells.
Here we go.
Oh, that's
Good
Mommy.
job.
Good job, Evan. Oh, and then go back to your blue chair. Find your blue chair.
Thank you so much.
Teddy, we're
You're
gonna,
all
I'll take your bell, okay?
Okay.
The Kings, Quinn, Ellie, and, oh wait, Miss Cookie made a mistake. Sam, come on up. Miss Cookie made a mistake, Sam. You were the shepherd. And Miss Cookie thought you were king. Come and put it up, bud. I made the mistake. I thought you had the king and Larkin had the shepherd on the board. We watched the gifts we bring for baby Jesus, our newborn king.
Finn, you have a second one. I am Mary, the mother mild. How I love my tiny child. Miss May, when I just finished with the Wish You Merry Christmas. I am the baby, Miss Nora, asleep in the hay. And I am the reason for Christmas Day. Can you bring baby Jesus up there, boy? Eddie, that cup needs to be still. Put him there. There's Mary. Oh, the ram is watching him, just like the story said, guarding the stall. Thank you, Nora. And maybe we will complete our program by singing Happy Birthday to Jesus, and I would like everybody to sing with us, and that'll be, you'll be free to go.
It's Jesus' birthday.
Yeah, this is Jesus' birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jesus. Happy birthday.
Tara loves Babe.
I love babe.
Oh, Tara. You're so gentle. You're a sweet girl. I know you love baby. Oh, Tara loves her baby. Oh, Tara.
Where's my baby?